Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos. We do makeup unboxings, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, pretty much anything to do with makeup, beauty. And today we are going to be doing the Ipsy Plus unboxing. I got this like a couple days ago, but I've been like really sick and ain't been able to do anything. So finally get to open it. So Ipsy is a monthly subscription. It does cost, well, they do have 3 different bags. They have the regular Ipsy bag, 5 deluxe size samples, a cute little makeup bag, $12 a month. Then they have the Ipsy Plus, 5 products, all full size, $25 a month, and a drawstring bag. Then they have the Ipsy Ultimate, but that is, I guess this is the last month for it. It is in total 12 products. 8 of them are full size. 4 of them are deluxe size samples, and you get a large makeup bag, but they are discontinuing it. And they do have a new bag coming out in February, which is called, I want to say Glam Bag X. I think it's going to be like around 8 products, and I think it's $50 bi-monthly. So here is the card, and it tells you about Glam Bag X. I've already signed up for it. We'll be getting 7 to 8 full-size products worth up to $350. We will be able to choose 3 products created by the Beauty's Biggest Celebs. Snag February's bag before it sells out. So it is a level up to Glam Bag Plus to Glam Bag X, a quarterly limited edition drop. I don't know. Home for the holidays is the theme this month. I kind of hate to see Ipsy Ultimate go because I've got some really great products in it. It's usually like hit and miss though. It's like either you really like it for the month, or you really just don't care about it. Sometimes I do notice like they'll overdo the skincare, like your box will mostly be skincare or something like that. Really, you don't get a lot. I don't think you get a lot of makeup in it. First product is Clean and Efficient Probiotics and Superfoods. And this is by Tula Skincare. It's a soap polish, exfoliating sugar scrub. It's 2.9 ounces. It's 82 grams. Healthy, looks good on you. And here is the tube. It does have the safety. I always like that. I hate buying a product that does not have one of these. They might be aggravating sometimes to get off, but I prefer to make sure everything has something like that over it. Okay, so you can barely see it. It's like a sugar scrub. You can actually, I don't know if you guys can hear that. You can like hear the sugar. It smells sweet and something else. It's not a bad smell, but it is really good, like sand. It kind of feels like sand. But I like good skincare. Not going to complain. This is 100% free from parabens, mineral oil, sodium, sulfate. They are cruelty-free. Okay, but here is the bag this month. I forgot to show you guys. It's like a, I know what this is called, but it's really soft. The inside is also like a dark red. Okay, we get our next product. It's by Shaina B. It's a blush and a highlight palette. Capture the Miami glow with 4 universal flattering shades in matte and shimmer finish. Okay. And they do have names. Okay. Really cute. I got an eyeshadow palette last month. I've had so much going on that I haven't even got to use it yet. Ooh. The mirror is broken. So I'm going to be very careful with that. I know I did not break it because it's been put up. So I guess it must have got broke in the travel. I don't think any glass is on anything else. So we will swatch them. They are beautiful colors though. So we got 2 highlights and 2 blushes. Here is the 2 highlights. Sugar Bomb and Wanna Glow. Then Rosa and, let me see. Here is Rosa. It's like not really showing up. Gotta really build that up. But the Brick Gale is a darker blush. I like that one. That's cute for like a day you don't want to wear a lot of makeup. I do like it. I wish the mirror was not broke. So whoever broke it is going to have 7 years bad luck. Maybe. Maybe not. I broke a mirror the other day. So let's all hope not. Because I have enough bad luck. And I really don't need no more. Okay. I think, what is that? Complex Cultural. Yes, Complex Culture. They are like a recyclable thing. This is Overtime Contour and Blush Duo, Multicasting, Glow on the Go, and it's 11 grams. And it is recyclable materials. They got some really nice brushes that are made out of completely recycled materials, and they work really, really good. Okay, so here she is. Nice, sleek. Now, I've never used, I got a brow product from them, but that's it. I've never used like anything else but their brushes. It does have Power Player and Pink Slip. So here is, it does come with a mirror. And it does come with, to tell us how to use it. We don't need that. So, Power Player is this contour, and Pink Slip is the blush. It's kind of hard to like swatch stuff like that. Really pretty. I want to say I got it in BoxyCharm. I got a Pure Cosmetics in my BoxyCharm. It looked a really nice color in the pan. The bronzer did, or contour. Really nice color. I went to use it. I started with my forehead. It was great. It turned me gray. So I'm very careful about what I use. Sometimes blushes will turn out gray on your skin. Why? I don't know. I think it's got something to do with our skin tone or something like that. I thought about reusing it with another foundation to see if maybe that would make a difference. Okay, Color Boss. I have one of these, not in this color, but I do have one I just looked at. Okay, this is by IL Makiage. They make like some incredible makeup products. I got some brow stuff that I really, really like. I've been thinking about trying their foundation. I have not yet, but I have been thinking about it. So it's really pretty. And this one is Alter Ego. It's like this really pretty purple. Ooh. I really like it. I wear a lot of purple, so that's like right up my alley. So I know I'm going to love this. Okay. Next product is Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow by Ciate London. And this is a metallic eyeshadow. We're getting 3 milliliters, which is 0.10 flow ounce. Sometimes I've got like a drawer full of stuff like this. Let me make sure, like, before I open this. No. I thought I had another one by Ciate London, but I don't see it. Okay. These are so pretty. Like, they like look really, like, let me pop some in right there and blend it out. I think they're so good. You put them all over the lid. You can put shadows over top of them. They are so pretty. And the Ciate London ones that I've got, I've had no problems with them about like pulling or like just doing awful. Some of them does, some of them don't. So I do like the Ciate London ones. Some of them that, I don't know, seems like you put them on and they start like peeling off, or they start getting patchy, or they just pull to one direction. I don't like that. The next two products are Add-Ons. I got the Real Her Confidence in a Glow highlighter. Like, I'm not, this tape, I can't get nothing open today. Okay. Here it is. It's like a marble, really pretty. I love marble. I'd like to do my kitchen in marble. It does have a little mirror. Then here is the highlighter. Let's see. Really pretty. I got some eyeshadows by them. It does have a little thing. I got some eyeshadows. I've got a few different things. My eyeshadows from them I don't like. I've got some other stuff that I do like. It's like, I don't know, with Real Her, it's always just like, I don't know. It's hit or miss for me. Okay, by Illamasqua. This is a skin-based foundation. This is 7 milliliters. It was an add-on, 0.23 flow ounces. I'm trying to find a really good foundation. I've got like probably 30 different foundations, and I don't know. I just can't find the one that I like. I did order some more Natasha Denona, and I don't know. Maybe I like it. I've got concealers that I like. I just can't find, like, that one foundation that I'm just, like, in love with. If you guys have any recommendations, high-end drugstore, doesn't really matter. Please let me know, because I have looked, like, everywhere for a foundation, a good one for my, and I don't have oily skin. I don't have dry skin. I don't really have problematic skin. I get, like, right in here, I've got some pores. Besides that, I really don't have, like, no skin redness or anything like that. I really just don't have no problems with my skin, and, like, I don't know, I just can't find that foundation that, like, wows me. When I was younger, I used the Max Factor stick, and I loved it, but not no more. So right here is some foundation. It's supposed to be like full coverage, so let's just see. I think it's supposed to be, it's skin based. I thought they said full coverage. I go by my freckles. And really, I don't see my freckles. Look, they're gone. And it blended in good, but... So it kind of looks like it's full coverage. I really don't see, like, the freckles. I know people that don't have freckles, they draw them on. I cover mine up. I don't know. Some days I wear like just a moisturizer and they pop out, but okay, so that was it. In this, all in all, I mean, I got like 2 blushes, but I'm alright with that. It doesn't like really like bother me. I got 1 skincare. I do like that. I will use that. It's cruelty free. I did not add that. Let me see. I like the purple eyeshadow. I will get some good use out of it. But I don't know. I always work out of a palette anymore. So sometimes 2 palettes. But something like that I think I will use more than... Let me see. And I know I'll like the Ciate London. I probably won't reach for it a lot. I don't know why I don't. I like them, but a lot of times I don't reach for them because I've had some bad experience with them. Like some other brands I've bought, like having like just like getting chunky or like falling off in your eyes. I can't stand that. But all in all, I think I got a good bag. Look at my cat. But I did get 2 blushes, but I am, you know, like I said, I'm alright with that. I like the Ciate London. I like the, I guess I really liked everything. I cannot wait to try this foundation. Like I said, I'm looking for one that just like does everything I want it to do. I don't know what I want it to do, but I just want to make my skin look flawless. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you like, try Boxy for yourself. I will leave the link down below. And I guess that's it. And you guys have a good day. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.